first step is we are going to simplify the left and the right side. So we have like terms here. So we're going to take the coefficients, the 6 and the 2, and we're going to figure out what 6 plus 2 is, which is 8x. And then we are going to combine the negative 7 with the positive 8. So we need to figure out what negative 7 plus 8 is. So positive 1. Okay, now we look at the right side, and we have a 3x and a 5x. So 3 plus 5 is 8x. And then we have minus 4. Alright, next step is highlight the variable term, but we don't have a variable term. We have this one and we have this one, so we can't have two, so we can't have one on each side, so we need to get rid of one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one, take away 8x, so that makes 0 there, and it also makes 0 here. So what we have left on the left side of this equal sign here is a 1, and what we have left on this side is a negative 4. And 1 does not equal negative 4. This is false. So what that communicates to us, what this statement here tells us, is that the answer is no solution. That means that there is absolutely no number that you can plug back in here for x, and here for x, and here for x, and here for x that will make this side here equal to this side here. There's no such number out there. So our answer is not false. Our answer is no solution. That is what we would write as our final answer.